Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Kali Linux and exploring a powerful tool called Nmap. For those of you new to Kali Linux, it's an operating system specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is like a Swiss Army knife for network reconnaissance. So, buckle up, and let's unlock the secrets of Nmap in Kali Linux. What is Nmap? Imagine you're a security researcher tasked with securing a network. You wouldn't just walk in blind, right? Nmap acts like your digital flashlight, illuminating the network landscape. Nmap helps you discover active devices, identify what services are running on those devices, and even guess the operating system they're using. This intel is crucial for understanding potential vulnerabilities and securing your network. What can Nmap do? Nmap boasts a versatile toolkit. Here are some of its key functions. Scanning hosts. Nmap can ping a range of IP addresses to see which devices are active on the network. Port scanning. Think of ports as doorways into devices. Nmap scans these ports to identify which ones are open and what services are listening on them. Version detection. Knowing the version of a service running on a port can be like finding a keyhole. Nmap can often identify the specific version of software being used, which can help you identify known vulnerabilities. OS fingerprinting. Nmap can analyze the way a device responds to its probes and try to guess the operating system it's running. Remember, using Nmap for malicious purposes is unethical and potentially illegal. Always get permission before scanning someone else's network. Nmap is an essential tool for anyone serious about network security. It empowers you to explore your network, identify potential vulnerabilities, and take steps to secure your systems. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting Kali Linux adventures.